Well, what led me to invest in solar was originally economics, given that this house has been turned into a commercial building and I provide full service to my tenants. Cost is a big factor, and when I moved this house to this location because of city growth, I originally installed geothermal energy. And so this kind of came as a second nature to try to look at what's happening with solar, because I'd heard that solar costs had come down dramatically, and then with the tax incentives that were available, I was pleasantly surprised when I sat down with Jesse and they did their due diligence on a payback. They considered all my concerns, answered them, and helped educate me on things that I was not aware of, offered options and so forth. So they took a turnkey process and saved me a lot of time. I appreciate very much dealing with Altenergy, and I highly recommend them to anybody.